Hello and welcome to Lisa Ann Can. I'm Lisa Ann. There goes my daddy in his wheelchair. I'm at my dad's this week, so I'm gonna be making my video from here. And I thought, what could I do? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a cake. So I got this Betty Crocker German chocolate cake because Daddy really likes those. So yeah, Daddy's favorite. Back in the day, you could buy this powdered mix for the frosting. So now they just sell it like liquidy in the frosting container. So I'm just gonna make that part homemade, but I'm gonna use a box mix, obviously. So anyhow, I'm gonna do some, hacks to make it a little better. So let me just read you. It says mix your cake mix, water. Ooh, so instead of using water, I'm gonna use coffee with cream in it. So 1.25 cups. Let me grab that. So instead of water, 1.25 cups of coffee with cream in it. That's gonna be my liquid. It calls for 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. So I've taken 1/4 cup of butter and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. And I think that's it. Yeah, 3 eggs. So my dad doesn't have a mixer, so I'm gonna be doing it the old-fashioned way. All right, so mix plus water, but instead of water, it's coffee with cream.
Coffee with cream.
Oil, butter, all right, so I don't have an apron, but my daddy has one. It's called the what? The Incredible
Mississippi Marketing Board.
So it's a Mississippi thing.
Edible egg from the Smith County Ag Complex.
Gotta have an apron. Wouldn't be Lisa Ann Can without an apron.
Right.
Eggs. And I just add one at a time and beat it. I don't need no electric mixer.
You
This
got
is.
your oven on?
I do. Oven's at 350.
350?
So the oven is on 350, and my dad didn't have any round cake pans, but he's got plenty of cast iron skillets. So I buttered them, and when you're making a chocolate cake, you're supposed to flour with cocoa powder instead of flour, because it, has that white, crusty, whatever. So we're winging it today, which is fine. This is going to be called a rough country German chocolate cake. Germans were pretty rough anyway, I think. 1/2 and 1. Okay, so when Mom made these when I was little, I always got to lick the bowl, but
Oh, yeah.
you gonna lick the bowl?
I'm going to lick the bowl. Oh, yeah. That's good, boy.
All right, it goes in the oven for 30 minutes, and then we'll check it and see if it's done.
Okay, you got a timer?
All right, part 2 is making the frosting. I wrote down my ingredients here. Let me just tell you what they are. Stick of butter, a cup of brown sugar, 3 egg yolks. I've beat them. 8 ounces of evaporated milk. Teaspoon of vanilla. Ooh, 2 cups of sweetened coconut. I don't have sweetened coconut. Well, actually I probably do, but I'm going to use the unsweetened because it's sweet enough. And then a cup of chopped pecans. I only had half a cup, so I'm using walnuts mixed with pecans. And it says cook the butter, sugar, yolks, milk, whisk it, bring it to a low boil for 5 minutes, remove it, stir in the vanilla, pecans, and coconut. Cool completely. I doubt that's going to happen. So I got my pot, and in goes the butter. I'm gonna put it on low if I can get it to light. Sugar, cup of brown sugar, egg yolks, milk. All right, that's it. So I got this on medium. So if you can see in here, the butter hasn't melted yet. Ooh, they look pretty and they smell really good.
Yeah, I'm gonna see the thing.
All right, here's the other one. I'm gonna set a timer for 10 minutes to let them cool a little bit. So we're boiling, so 5 minutes. Yep. All right, so it's been 5 minutes. In goes, coconut, pecans, and walnuts, and a teaspoon of vanilla. So there it is. The only thing different is, ain't that looking good? It needs to cool off. All right, I put the pecan coconut frosting in some cold water in the sink. It's loose. Ta-da! Popped right out.
Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
This one I'm gonna put right here.
Yeah,
there we
beautiful.
go.
Look at there.
Yay.
Look at that one right there. Come on.
Did you see that? So on goes at least half of the frosting. Ta-da! The lighting's so
Yeah,
good.
look at there. Look at mine. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Daddy's taking his nighttime medicine, morphine. Ain't that beautiful?
Beautiful.
There you go.
Beautiful.
Got sticky.
Thank you, dear.
All right, so thank you for watching, and my next video is going to be on diet and exercise. See you next time.
Yeah.